Have you ever wondered what the world was like when dinosaurs roamed the earth? Our journey begins in the Triassic period, a time of recovery and diversification. Imagine Earth, a barren landscape recovering from the largest mass extinction in its history, the Permian-Triassic extinction event. This catastrophic event wiped out about 95% of all species, leaving survivors to adapt to a harsh environment. Amidst hot and dry conditions, low oxygen levels, and frequent volcanic eruptions, life began to bounce back. This era, known as the Triassic period, spanning from about 252 to 201 million years ago, was a testament to the resilience of life. It marked the emergence of the first dinosaurs, scurrying around in the mid-Triassic, sharing their world with the first mammals, turtles, crocodiles, and flying reptiles called pterosaurs. The Triassic period was also significant for another reason. It saw the rise of the first true plants. Ferns, cycads, and ginkgos began to paint the landscape green, providing a stark contrast to the stark, barren world of the recent past. These plants played a crucial role in reshaping the environment, providing food and shelter for the burgeoning animal life. But it wasn't just about survival in the Triassic period. It was about diversification. Amidst the adversity, life found a way to evolve, to change, to diversify. It was a time of immense biological innovation, with new forms of life sprouting in every corner of the planet. The Triassic period was a time of recovery, of adaptation, of change. It was a time when life began to reclaim the Earth, setting the stage for the world as we know it today. The first dinosaurs, the first mammals, the first true plants, all these and more have their roots in the Triassic period, a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life. The Triassic period was indeed a time of great change and adaptation, setting the stage for a new era of life on Earth. Next, we step into the Jurassic period, the golden age of dinosaurs, where these magnificent creatures evolved into many different shapes and sizes. This period, spanning from around 201 to 145 million years ago, was a time of great expansion and exploration for the dinosaurs, who became the dominant land animals. The Jurassic climate was warm and humid, a stark contrast to the harsh conditions of the preceding Triassic period. This hospitable environment, bathed in lush vegetation and abundant marine life, proved to be a fertile breeding ground for the dinosaurs. They adapted and evolved in response to their surroundings, resulting in a myriad of dinosaur species, each with its own unique characteristics. From the gigantic sauropods like Brachiosaurus and Diplodocus, whose long necks allowed them to reach the tops of the tallest trees, to the swift and agile theropods like Velociraptor and Allosaurus, the Jurassic period was a showcase of dinosaur diversity. It was also during this period that we see the emergence of the first birds, evolving from a branch of theropod dinosaurs. This marked a significant evolutionary milestone, as these early birds would eventually give rise to the vast array of avian species we see today. Meanwhile, the Earth itself was undergoing significant changes. The continents, which had once formed a single landmass, known as Pangaea, began to drift apart. This continental drift created the Atlantic Ocean and dramatically altered the world's geography. These changes in the Earth's physical landscape led to the creation of new habitats and ecosystems, providing even more opportunities for dinosaur evolution and diversification. With these changes, dinosaurs found themselves in a variety of environments, from dense forests to open plains, from mountainous terrains to coastal regions. This geographical diversity led to an explosion of dinosaur species, each adapting to survive in their specific habitat. The armored and horned ornithischians, like the Stegosaurus and Triceratops for instance, evolved to protect themselves from predators, showcasing the survival of the fittest in the truest sense. In the Jurassic period, dinosaurs truly ruled the world, shaping the landscapes and ecosystems of their time. The Earth's surface was transformed by these creatures, from the footprints they left behind to the nests they built, from the trails they carved to the vegetation they consumed. And though their reign eventually came to an end, their legacy remains, forever imprinted in the layers of the earth, a testament to a golden age when dinosaurs were the kings and queens of the world. Finally, we arrive at the Cretaceous period, the final and longest period of the Mesozoic era, marked by the peak of dinosaur diversity and the appearance of the first flowering plants. Spanning from about 145 to 66 million years ago, the Cretaceous was a time of unprecedented evolution and change, a spectacle of life's resilience and adaptability. The Cretaceous was characterized by a dynamic climate and geography. The continents continued their slow dance of drift and separation, creating new habitats and ecosystems. But the climate didn't stay constant. It began cooler and ended warmer, with more variability than the previous Jurassic period. This changing world was the stage upon which the final acts of the dinosaur drama played out. The Cretaceous saw the rise of new groups of dinosaurs, each more fascinating than the last. There were the hadrosaurs, often called duck-billed dinosaurs, named for their broad, flat snouts. And then we had the ankylosaurs, the living tanks of the dinosaur world, with their armored bodies and club-like tails. Ceratopsians, like the famous Triceratops, dazzled with their large horns and frills. And then, of course, the tyrannosaurs, the apex predators that still capture our imaginations today, with their massive size and ferocious jaws. But the Cretaceous wasn't just about the dinosaurs. This period also marked the arrival of the first flowering plants. These newcomers didn't just add a touch of color to the landscape, they transformed it. Rapidly diversifying, they replaced the conifers and other gymnosperms as the dominant group of plants, shaping the ecosystems and food chains of the time. However, the Cretaceous period was not destined to last forever. Roughly 66 million years ago, a massive asteroid, estimated to be about 6 miles in diameter, struck what is now the Yucatan Peninsula. This catastrophic event triggered a series of devastating environmental changes. The initial impact would have caused massive fires, tsunamis, and a nuclear winter effect, blocking out the sun with dust and debris. This led to a sharp drop in temperatures, a decline in photosynthesis, and a collapse of food chains. The result was a mass extinction event, wiping out about 75% of all species on Earth, including the non-avian dinosaurs. This marked the end of the Age of Dinosaurs, a period that had lasted for over 180 million years. The dinosaurs, once rulers of the Earth, were no more. The Cretaceous period was a time of global change, ending with a bang that reshaped the course of life on Earth. Its legacy is one of diversity, adaptation, and resilience, a testament to life's ability to flourish and persist, even in the face of the most profound challenges. The Mesozoic Era was a remarkable chapter in the history of life on Earth, a time when dinosaurs shaped the world and left a lasting legacy. Spanning from approximately 252 to 66 million years ago, this era bore witness to the rise and fall of the dinosaurs, but also the birth of many species we recognize today. The Triassic period set the stage, recovering from the largest mass extinction event in Earth's history. Amidst the harsh, dry conditions, life found a way to not only survive but diversify. The first dinosaurs, mammals, turtles, crocodiles, and even flying reptiles known as pterosaurs all made their debut during this time, along with the rise of the first true plants. The Jurassic period, often referred to as the Golden Age of Dinosaurs, saw these magnificent creatures become the dominant land animals. From the gigantic sauropods to the swift and agile theropods, to the armored and horned ornithischians, dinosaurs evolved into a myriad of shapes and sizes. In addition, the first birds, descendants of theropod dinosaurs, took flight during this warm and humid period. Finally, the Cretaceous period marked the final and longest period of the Mesozoic era and the peak of dinosaur diversity. The world saw the evolution of many new groups of dinosaurs and the appearance of the first flowering plants. Despite the global changes and cooler climate, life thrived until a massive asteroid impact led to a global catastrophe, marking the end of the Age of Dinosaurs. But as the saying goes, every end is a new beginning. The extinction of the non-avian dinosaurs cleared the way for mammals to diversify and eventually dominate the Earth. The legacy of the dinosaurs is not one of death, but of life's tenacity and endless capacity for change. Thank you for joining us on this journey back in time. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the history of life on Earth. Until next time.